apparently. I'm working right now. Like, how can I not show my job? We're working from home. We're not working from home. Good morning. We're vlogging today. I'm so tired. I don't even want to be at work. I think that, let me turn this down. I think that I might take a half day. Disregard the mess that's in that corner. That's from that reel / TikTok that I posted. I got 0 traction on TikTok, by the way. It's fucking rude. But anyways, I have to clean that up desperately. I don't know what this vlog is gonna be about. I just want to talk about things, and I feel like the best way to do it is like vlog, almost like a life update. So let's do that throughout the day, and then that'll be that. pretty much that's it. So I'm gonna keep working, and I'll check in with you guys in probably a couple hours. I really want to work out on my lunch break, so probably check in with you guys around there. Yeah, so everything I said I wanted to do, I didn't get to do. I am having the worst period. Like the worst series of periods. Like every month, it's like my period gets worse and worse. And whatever day I started vlogging this was no exception. I've been out for like 2 days. Today's the 3rd day. I actually have to call into work and be like, I'm not coming online today. I just can't. I left work early yesterday, had heat on it, took drugs, knocked out, woke up in the evening, and then I'm just like, now my sleep cycle's fucked. So I don't know what my plan is for today, but I am gonna make some content. I'm gonna try to not have the day be like a fucking waste. Like, I know rest is important, but like when you're a content creator, there's something about like wasted time that like really gets under your skin. I don't know if it's everyone or if it's just me, but like even when I'm not feeling my best, I'm like, okay, but you should do something that's gonna get you ahead of like the weekend, especially. Like honestly, it's like a mind game you play with yourself. You're just like putting pressure on yourself, but also like trying to balance everything. But yeah, no working out was going in. Like my body's done. I'm tired. I'm like down for the count. What else did I want to talk to you about? Oh my gosh, so update, the hauls are stopping. I don't even want to say the hauls. I want to say me spending money in excess is stopping. Like I really need to start getting smarter with my money. I really need to have like 2 months worth of pay saved. Like I should have a float of like 10 grand. Like, you know what I mean? Like just sitting. So I really want to like buckle down for the next, not even the next little while, but for the rest of the year, and not be spending money as much as I have been. Like I think people forget that, like, yes, sometimes things get sent to you, but a lot of the big brand stuff obviously is stuff that I'm buying. So when I say $1,000 pretty little thing haul, I mean $1,000 pretty little thing haul. When I say $500 haul here too, that's my money. I spent my coin. At this point in the panini, we're not going anywhere. So I have now a whole new wardrobe and nowhere to wear it. So I don't think I'm gonna be spending as much money on clothes. Makeup, I've kind of been moving away from either way. So I'm going on this savings journey for the rest of 2021. I'm trying to get into 2022 with my bag, like with a whole bag of money. There's other stuff I want to tell you about. Like I really can't remember, but I did want to work out. I don't want to say I'm on a fitness journey because I feel like everyone's on a fitness journey. Like a lot of us are trying to get in shape for the summer. I don't even think I'm trying to get in shape for summer. I think I'm just really trying to I want to lose 15 pounds. But yeah, there's 2 reasons why I want to lose weight. One is I'm not really happy with how my body looks all the time. I love my lower half, like I love my thighs, I love my butt, but it's the tummy, and I don't even think my tummy's that bad. It's just there are times where I'm wearing certain outfits where I'm like, I just would prefer if my stomach looked a little bit more snatched, and I know that that's where I carry my weight. So I really want to lose 15 pounds. The second reason is for my health. My weight fluctuating is not good for the tension and the pressure in my brain. High hypertension runs in my family. Plus, I found out I have something called intracranial hypertension, where there's just a lot of excess fluid in my brain. So I need to like really be serious about what I'm eating and my diet and my workout. So I'm like, gotta get on that. So I'm trying to build habits. But my period always comes and knocks me down. Like it's really fucking annoying that it's like literally this week I started Monday workout. And then Tuesday I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Work was overwhelming. I'll get into it on Wednesday. Wednesday, I felt like fucking death. Didn't do anything. I was supposed to meet up with my girl. Couldn't even really move. Yesterday, death again. And now it's already Friday and I'm feeling like a little bit better, but I just want to fucking relax. So it really sucks because I know that the earliest I could possibly feel better is maybe tomorrow. And it's like, I just lost 4 days of one, like making content or working out. It's just really frustrating. It's frustrating to like guys can just like go and do all this stuff. They can exercise all day long. And it's just like, my body is literally telling me like, no. So it's really frustrating, but we're moving. I'm gonna go make breakfast or something, try and actually film some stuff, and see where the rest of this vlog takes me. Hello, I'm miserable. I'm smiling, but that's because I smile when I'm fucking anxious. Hold on, let me turn down this music. Okay, I'm just working right now. Is this better light? No, is this worse light? I changed where I'm working from home because I was literally getting so distracted downstairs. Yeah, I guess this is gonna be a weekly vlog because I've just been filming random things on different days. So that's where we're at right now. Yeah, today's been a weird day for me. I don't even wanna say weird, but like almost rough. Like, I have not been the best at sticking to my diet, fitness, workout routine, and like I obviously had to go on the scale today because the devil possessed me too, and it just like solidified that this is like the heaviest I've been. I'm at 185. For the past 2 months I was supposed to be doing workout challenges with my sisters, and I've just been not doing it, like not happening. So I'm really trying to hold myself accountable. Tyler's gonna help hold me accountable. It's just like you feel insecure. Now it's summertime and it's like warmer, so it's almost like I'm more aware of how much I weigh. Maybe because I'm wearing less clothes, like I can feel my thighs rubbing together. I can just feel my body weight on me. And personally, it's like, it's not to be like fat phobic or anything like that. It's just, I've never been a heavy person. Like when I was younger, I was skinny, 120 something pounds. Like, this weight just came with like university and then working a sit-down job. It just kind of piles on. So this is the biggest that I've been for me. And though I wear it well, I do want to be like 160, 165. So to me, I have 20 to 25 pounds that I want to lose. My short-term goal is to at least get down to 170. If I can stay down to 170 and maintain 170, lose like the 10 to 15 pounds, I should be happy for a little bit. But then my standard weight that I want to be is 165. It's just so hard. Like, I love food so much and I hate restricting myself to eat. I hate working out, but it's not even that I hate working out more than I just don't have the time to work out. Like, if there were at least an extra 2 hours in the day, I'd probably get it done. But it's just like when you work, like I'm not even full-time, I'm salaried. That means I have to work 9 hours a day. Yes, you're supposed to get an hour break, but I mean, I'm in work mode for 9 hours of my day. And then I have to come out of that, do YouTube, do whatever. And it's just like, do I wanna now go and exercise? You know what I mean? So it just becomes exhausting to try and like accomplish those fitness goals. So if you're going through that too, I'm here with you because this is not, like, it's not going anywhere right now. And I know for some people, they're like, you don't need to lose weight, it's fine. But again, it's like my personal goal, my personal body. When I look at myself, what do I see? How do I feel? What do I need to do? And realistically, for me, like, not this is my last chance, but now is the time to do it, because once you get into your 30s, like, that's how your body is like set. However you are in your late 20s, it's like how you're going to be for the rest of your life. Same thing with the habits that you're building right now. It's how you're gonna be for the rest of your life. So for me, I've always been lazy, like when it comes to working out. So I'm really trying to push myself to try and like change that, just because it's not gonna get any better. And then I'm gonna end up like 40 or 50, like my mom, for instance, gaining a whole bunch of weight. And now she's having knee problems because her body, she was skinny like me too when she was younger, and her body just can't support the amount of weight that she's put on over the years because she built poor habits. So it's like frustrating for me, but I'm gonna try and be really serious about it for the next couple months at least. But I just think that I'm one of those people that I just need to build it into my daily routine. And even if it's like 30 to 45 minutes, at least it's been accomplished. And it's like a little bit, it's like a notch on the belt, you know what I mean? It can't be Tuesday, Wednesday, Fridays, because I'm one of those people that I won't, not that I won't do it, I just don't want to some days. Like some days everything just ends up piling up. So it's like if I make time for it every day, this is my designated time to do it every day, then at least I can honor that. It's like work, you know what I mean? Like I have to show up every day whether I want to or not, because I'm getting something out of it. If I make it only select days, it doesn't feel real. So That's what I'm committing to as of today. So I will work out. In better news, I'm supposed to be going on a picnic with my girls this weekend, so we're planning that. So that's probably where I'm going to pick up this vlog next, is working out and my weekend picnic, so stay tuned. Also, I did some shopping at Shoppers Drug Mart and I ordered online, and this is how it comes. And I just wanted to keep you guys up on my skincare. This Pixie Retinol Collagen Retinol Serum is everything to my skin. Honestly, I should have bought 2. I don't know why I picked up the vitamin C serum. I have used it before, but I prefer this one much better. I also picked up these Fortify patches to try. I'm looking forward to it. I put them in the fridge already just because it says to, it says for more plumping look, put them in the fridge. Those are in the fridge, and it should help with like bags and all that stuff. And then they actually are giving samples. Like, who in the Sephora? Yeah, they gave me some eye cream as a free sample and this lip oil for International Women's Day. It really smells like lip smackers and it feels the same way. But yeah, just thought I would show you guys that little unboxing. Okay, so I actually did work out. I did it for once. I didn't film it because I just honestly, first of all, it took Tyler motivating the hell out of me to get it done. So he said he's gonna help be on me more, which I greatly appreciate because your girl's not getting it done on her own and it takes a village, clearly. So I worked out. I'm gonna go to bed now. There was something I had to say and I can't remember what it was. I honestly, I didn't want to just come on this camera and say, oh, I just worked out, do. No, there was something else. Ugh. I can't remember, but anyways, the workout felt great. Hopefully I can keep this up. I honestly just need to start putting the time into my body and get the results that I want. Like, I just can't wait around for the BBL to happen because it's clearly not gonna happen. I gotta put in work. I really can't remember what else I was gonna say. So I'll see you guys next time in the next part of this vlog. Quick video for the vlog. We gonna eat. We outside. NATGEE gang. It actually is pretty though. Sorry, that was me because I took a video. And I just want to get this. Picnicking. First one of the season. Are you Googling how to do the beer thing? Okay, smart. So. And now it's like you have to pee really bad. You can do it. Every movement is like pee. Don't pee. Pee. TikTok tried. What song is that? I don't know. Sing it. Please, no, please keep going. What song?
You know the one that I need.
No.
Oh, like the one where they're always walking? Yeah.
They're walking away and they're like,
the whole TikTok like,
yeah, I'd have to do the whole thing.
What is the music though?
I don't know.
I don't know. I think it's definitely yeah! You hear it.
Exactly. You know the vibe. Yeah. Oh, there they are. Do you have all the garbage, madame? Okay, because I'm like, I don't have it either. It's too dark. You can't see us. Oh, you look cute a little. In the shadows. In the shadows. In the dark. How did you find our first picnic of 2021?
Very cute.
Love it.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Hot.
Definitely hot.
Skeeters.
Skeeters everywhere. Picnic over and successful.